So we're probably 4 hours, give or take, worth of labor now. The body bolts are all undone. They mostly just snapped. The whole front clip is off and disassembled. The clutch master's off and laid over. We cut the brake lines because I have a full stainless hardline kit coming, and obviously we're not going to reuse lines that look like that. We split the harness, so on these older vehicles you can do that. The engine harness is on the engine, the body harness is on the body. Computer's been taken off and put on a workbench for now, just to keep it from getting damaged. Everything's undone for the rear, as far as the vacuum lines and the breather and all, that's all ready. The gas tank filler and all that's undone, so we're all ready back there. This is all ready to go in here. So more or less, I think about the only thing left, other than maybe a couple wires we've missed. The steering is already undone, it just won't collapse. Think about all that's left is a parking brake cable. And then we should be able to pick it off with the twin post lift, hopefully, and just roll this out from underneath. But that's today's progress. Unfortunately, I don't have the ability to tape everything as we're going and then edit it and fast forward and all that to post it. Otherwise, I'm sure it'll be a lot more interesting. So that's day 2. Like and subscribe.